I've got a serious problem. I've run out of jokes this Christmas, and so I need your help. I want you to send me, if you can, your funniest side-splitting joke.
My joke is, what do you call a Frenchman wearing sandals? Philip Philop.
What did Adam say before Christmas Day? It's Christmas Eve.
What do monkeys sing at Christmas? Jungle bells.
Who's Santa's favourite singer? Elvis Presley.
What do fish do in the army?
I don't know. What do they do in the army?
Drive the fish tank.
What do you call an obnoxious reindeer?
Rudolph. How does Darth Vader enjoy his Christmas turkey? On the dark side.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
What do you get if you eat Christmas decorations? Tinselitis.
Who hides at a bakery at Christmas? A mince spy.
What did the Santa's elves do during COVID-19? Well, the answer is elf isolates.
What do angry mice send to each other at Christmas?
Cross mouse cards.
What do you call a bankrupt Santa? Saint Nicholas.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Phil. Boo-hoo.
Don't quite send your joke.
How did Scrooge win the football game? The ghost of the Christmas past.
What do you call a Christmas dog? Santa Paws.
What's the difference between the Christmas alphabet and the normal alphabet? The Christmas alphabet has no L's.